In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable link bases. To get started, open the Airtable base where you want to connect data. This first base is your source, meaning it contains the information you want to make available somewhere else. Before moving on, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct base and that the data is organized the way you want it to be seen. That will make the sync process much smoother and help avoid confusion later. Next, choose the table or view you want to share with another base. This is an important part of the setup because you're deciding exactly which information will be connected. In many cases, it's a good idea to use a specific view instead of the entire table, especially if you only want certain records or fields to appear in the other base. This gives you more control over what gets synced and keeps the destination base cleaner and easier to manage. After that, turn on the shared view or synced view option. This is the setting that allows Airtable to create a shareable source for the data. As you do this, make sure you're sharing only the content that actually needs to be connected. Keeping your shared data focused can make collaboration easier and reduce the chance of unnecessary information being included. Once that's ready, open the other base where the data should appear. This will be your destination base. Think of this as the place where the shared information will be pulled in and displayed. It's helpful to have this base prepared in advance so you know exactly where the synced table should go. Now add a synced table using the shared source. In this step, Airtable will prompt you to connect the source you just shared. Follow the connection flow and confirm the source so the destination base can begin receiving that data. This creates a live link between the two bases rather than a one-time copy, which is what makes syncing so useful. After the synced table is added, review the fields and records that were synced. Check that everything came through as expected, including the right columns, the correct records, and the overall structure. This quick review helps you catch mismatches early and ensures the destination base is usable right away. Finally, refresh or update the sync when the source base changes. As information is edited in the original base, you'll want to make sure the destination stays current. Depending on your setup, this may happen automatically or may require a manual refresh. Either way, it's a good habit to verify that updates are flowing correctly so both bases stay aligned.